Hello world! Everything that we do when we do it with love becomes not a burden but a blessing. Love lightens our load and keep us warm. It is only when we have forgotten what love is that we feel weighed down and cool. Love is the gift of desire for the heart, mind and body. One of the most beautiful acts in the world is to remind someone of the love that they deserve, to show them every day that they are safe to be themselves with you. We finally understand what all these songs were about, especially the older ones, when people used to sing about how they really felt. When you listen to them, you can't help but think that maybe they were meant for you to hear so that you would recognize you when you met. We know you have been through a lot. We know that others have hurt you and disappoint you, ignore you, and told to be quiet so much that you felt like you have no voice. Hear you. We always hear you, even when you whisper and you want the world to hear you, because you are is just that beautiful to them. There was so much in life that didn't feel real. We met you. We guess what we are trying to say is that you will be a favorite song and the best part of them by Joel Clemons. On the post of Anna, she captioned it with, I remember the moment when I was at their concert in Amsterdam. For the first time, it was a year ago. I was standing very close to the stage, and with every new sound I heard, it took my breath away. I was moved and smiled at the same time. It was a few years ago when I first heard the song, The Sea. The guy touched every level of my soul at that moment. Since then, they are heaven. Music have been with me every day, especially when stop for a while is needed. Yesterday when I hugged them, I felt like a little girl. I couldn't say anything more than thank you. And that thank you has been with me since I heard this magical music a few years ago. It touches heart so deeply, and I wish it will also yours. On Morning with Amapo, she captioned it with, okay, I confess. There used to be envy in me. I thought others had it better, that it is easier for them, fate is kinder for them, until I discovered the value of myself. Today I can enjoy so much the achievement of others because I understood that I am not losing anything. On the contrary, by adding wings to others, I see how much pleasure it gives me. I highly recommend to you, take care of being on level. No one is better or worse than you. We are all human. Ama. Hi! You don't know how much such moments sometimes you think the life of others is better, or you are very fascinated by him, fascinated by her, that someone has a better job, a better group of friends, earn better, has better car, a better home. What about you? Maybe it's worth appreciating who you are and cherish all that you have. P.S.
Cześć. Nie masz czasem takich momentów, że życie innych uważasz za lepsze? Albo że bardzo fascynuje cię on, ona? Że ktoś ma lepszą pracę, lepszą paczkę przyjaciół, lepiej zarabia, ma lepszy samochód, lepszy dom. A ty? A może warto docenić to, kim jesteś i pielęgnować to wszystko, co masz? PS.
Lovely morning, Simone. How was your sleep? Did you sleep well? Let's go. Let's take our morning coffee with Simone. What happened? Is there anything wrong that you felt right now, Simone? What a best life we always have in everyday, Simone, isn't it? A beautiful horizon that awaits to all of us. This is it. You got to have a tattoo. Hope you choose the one that is memorable on you, Simone. We are all excited to know what is it, Simone, that you ink in your body. Michele reposts the campaign ad of Dolce & Gabbana as it captioned a portrait of a man with a passionate soul. Michele captured by Giuseppe Tornatore in the new Devotion for Men Eau de Perfume campaign. Unveil it and discover the fragrance. We all see in here that you are already staying in your new building, Michele. That you are living on your studio in Milagnano? How about your wife and your kids? Are they the one living in the house in central Milan? It's gonna feel so lonely if you are living there alone. Hello, Michele. How are you? What are you doing this time? Yes, we all know how handsome you are. Yeah, we all see in here that your studio is really into something else. What is this classic and elegant music that you have been done, Michele? Can we all hear it?
We really have to show it. So we just done something really classical, really elegant, and really classy, by the way. Yeah, yeah.
In this, let's all heard the Baby Hot song composed of Michele. Who is this unknown artist from 1600 as Michele's favorite purchase work of art?
Messiah killed the Kennedys and Huxley too. Well, summer 6 will be safe and your eyes stick in the mouth. Sorry, your service now. It's higher.
Nice and nice as Michele working into something again. Music is his life. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 52 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. The reason that we feel triggered at times is because we feel a loss of control and react from fear in order to protect or defend ourselves. Being reactive and defensive can make us lash out and blame others for our action or feelings. That we need is safety security and stability, but these are unattainable if we don't have enough trust and confidence in ourselves, or feel that our life is not under our control. The solution is clear. We must learn how to take ownership of our choices so we can feel proud of our accomplishment and take responsibility for our mistake, because this is what creates growth and improvement. Confidence is not being loud and aggressive, it's being decisive and assertive while reclaiming calm. Confidence and comes from being able to trust yourself to make the right decision, especially when there is a crisis. Taking ownership of your life and choices means living your truth, knowing every day that you are becoming stronger, braver, and better than before. Stop complaining and start improving. Your life is up to you to create. By Joel Clemons.